Hello, today I'll show you how to convert a country's religion in Crusader Kings III. To convert a country's religion, you'll need to go to your council and select your realm priest. Your realm priest is right here. As you can see, they can convert thief in county. After that, you'll need to wait a certain amount of time. As you can see, there is also malus for the opposite of a discount for the Astartu faith being pluralist, minus from development, and a malus from the fact that the Astartu faith is unreformed. But it of course, as you can see, can happen. In 14 years, this province would become Norse. As you can see right now, if I go into the faith map mode, it is currently Catholic, but it could be converted to Astartu. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you want more of videos like this, please comment, like and subscribe.